Why are gases so disorderly? Why can't I just grab air like a rod? Oh, but do you know that gases are very easily compressible? It shock you. How can we explain this behavior of gases? Well, we can explain it with the kinetic theory of gases. So when you hear the word kinetic, what comes to your mind? Motion, energetic, dynamism, and activeness. We made our observation in the previous class in the state of matter that gases have no definite shape or size because the particles of matter in gaseous state are relatively apart from each other. So, have you seen that the reason why it is active, in motion, dynamic and energetic and disorderly is because they are not firm but can be readily compressed and fill a container. You see, this disorderliness is why gases are very active and move very, very fast. And that is why, because we mustn't be careless with our cooking gas cylinder at home. Because if we carelessly leave the gas open, the compressed gases will escape and begin to spread. Hence, they become highly inflammable. A match shouldn't be in this instance. It can cause inferno. Due to this behavior and disorderliness of gaseous matter, different scientists have done investigation into the behavior of gases and postulated laws to explain why gases behave in this manner. This law is called the kinetic theory of gases. From these laws, they show us that gas molecules move randomly in straight lines, colliding with one another and the walls of the container when this collision happens. It's just like when two cars in motion hit each other. Gas particles hit, collide with themselves and with the walls of the container. But they do not remain static, but rebounded like elastic balls without any loss of energy and continue in motion. And their total kinetic energies remain the same. And thirdly, from this law shows us that the volume of gases in a container is very negligible compared to the volume of the container, same as forces of attraction between particles because of the way they are apart. And the temperature of the gas is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the gas particles. So, let us summarize what we have learned in this class. We have learned that the kinetic theory of gases explains the reason why substances in gaseous state do not have a fixed shape and are disorderly.